Yeah, we are so excited about this new clinical study. It was published 10 days ago in Obesity Pillars, and it was done on 150 patients, men and women, with a BMI between 25 and 35 over 6 months. And what it showed in the treatment group, that they lost a significant amount of weight, but it was all fat. Now, this is where the difference is the fact that often, with GLP-1 medications, you can lose up to 40% of muscle mass. So that's within your weight loss. So the conversation is now changing about looking at the scales to looking at body conformation. Sure, so really important. Muscle is so important for strength and mobility and healthy aging. We know as you get older, you will lose about 3% of your muscle per year. So if you're losing up to 40% of muscle in a short time, it's very hard to regain that. And if you regain weight, it's going to be fat, not that muscle. So you don't want to lose that muscle. So this latest clinical shows that you can actually lose the weight but keep the muscle. And that was a very wonderful part about it. So, and what I loved was it was all fat and it was proportional to visceral fat. So you lost 3.5 times the amount of visceral fat than the non-treatment group. Visceral fat is that fat that sits around your organs, and it's not great. That's what you don't want. What a lot of people don't realise is that we produce our own appetite-suppressing hormones, and it's really a mechanism in your body to tell you when to stop eating. So if you think about, about 45 minutes after you've eaten a big meal, you go, "Oh, I'm full." That's that appetite-suppressing hormones telling your brain you can stop, you can stop eating now. That is, so what? By naturally activating them, what Calocurb does is we super stimulate those natural appetite-suppressing hormones. So if you take Calocurb about an hour to an hour and a half before lunch or before dinner, and what they do is it super stimulates the release of your own natural GLP, your own natural appetite-suppressing hormones, which of course one of them is GLP-1 that we all know about. So what it's doing is it's making you feel full faster, and that's why we say we're kind of hacking your hunger with Calocurb. A synthetic GLP-1 or a prescription medication is a synthetic hormone, and what you're doing is you're either injecting it or taking it orally, and it mimics your own natural GLP-1, but they've changed a little tiny molecule in it which makes it last for 7 days, where Calocurb lasts for 4 to 6 hours, and it works with your body. Yeah, it's such a good example. You can use it as an alternative. If you can't take the side effects, you can't afford it, you don't want a prescription drug, or of course when you're coming off a GLP-1, very important, because whenever you're on a synthetic hormone, you've depressed your own natural hormones. So you really want to kickstart that gut-brain axis, because you want to maintain that weight loss, which you've worked so hard for. Where do you get Calocurb? Go to the website, which is www.calocurb, that's CALOCURB.com, and you can read about all of the fabulous science. This is 16 years and 30 million in research done by the New Zealand government. So have a look at it there. If you want to order, use the discount code START and you'll get 10% off. It's also available on Amazon, and we also sell through practitioners in the US, so you can ask your local practitioner about it as well. Yes, look, go to our website. It's Calocurb, CALOCURB.com. It's got all the information and all the fabulous science. And if you want to order, use the discount code START and you'll get 10% off your first order.